Now that you're logged in, you'll see that you're logged in as, and that should have your display name that you chose earlier. Previously this was a reddish coloured bar with login and register in the middle. The first thing that you should do once you've got to this point is click on the My Controls button up here. A single click to that will take you to an area where you can update information about yourself. Now on the left hand menu you'll see a link to edit your profile information. Clicking that link allows you to type in as much or as little information about yourself as you'd like to provide. So for example, I'll type in that I was born on the 12th of June, let's see, 1948. Gender is male. My website is jonosmith.com. Now these other fields for ICQ, AOL, Yahoo and MSN, you can leave blank. They're for instant messenger programs. And down the bottom you've got the chance to put in your location. So I've already said that I'm in Canberra, and my interest is life coaching and using internet forums. And you can put as much or as little information in there as you'd like, including the sort of business that you run, your background, what your likes and dislikes are, etc. Finally, you click Amend My Profile down the bottom, and that will save those changes. And you'll get that little box which you may have noticed briefly saying your settings are updated. Down the left hand side you've got even more options. If you like, you can add a signature by clicking the Edit Signature button, and this is just like a signature on an email, and it will go after each and every one of your posts. So once the page is loaded, it'll give me a little box where I can type in my name, phone number, or maybe a little witty quote. And just like using Microsoft Word, if you select that, you can put that in italics if you'd like to, and click Update My Signature. Once this has successfully been updated, you'll see a preview of what it looks like just at the top there. The thing that we'd really like you to get in there and change is a personal photo. Now the personal photo, you would choose a file on your computer. So for example, I will choose this one, which is just a JPEG, but a GIF should work as well. And clicking Update Photo will load this on. Now your personal photo is only shown in some parts of the forum on your profile. If you want a photo to show next to each of your posts, you need to choose what's called an avatar. Under Edit Avatar Settings, this is where you would do that. And you've got a few choices here. You can choose an avatar from one of our galleries, and there's a few different choices in there, and they're just a bit of fun, smiley faces, things like that. You can enter the URL to an online image, say if you've got one on your website, or as we did with the personal photo, you can choose a file from your computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a picture of Mary and Paul. Having chosen that picture, I click Update Avatar, and that should load up onto the forums. You may get an error at this point that the upload has failed, and this could be because the image is too big. To make the image smaller, you can talk to a graphics person like Narelle, or if you've got some skills with Photoshop, you can make the change there. And if worst comes to worst, you can shoot me through an email. So there we go. You've registered yourself an account, you've set up your profile, now you're ready to post on the forums. What I'd really like to see everyone who watches this video do is go into this Introduce Yourself forum and click on the New Topic button to put a short post up about who you are and where you've come from, and maybe even some other information like why you've chosen to do the coaching. This is how you post a topic with the software. It's going to ask you for a topic title, so we could put in there, hi, my name is Jono Smith, and this is where you put as much information or as little information as you want. So we'll just put I live in Canberra and I decided to do this coaching to become a life coach. And once you've put that in, you can also add in some smiley faces if you'd like. And once that's how you'd like it, you scroll down the bottom and click Post New Topic. As you can see, there's a whole heap of settings here that you could change. There's the ability to upload attachments such as PDF files or Word documents, and you can also make the words bold, italics, center, left align. So in your own time, if you want to have a bit of a play with that, you can have a lot of fun. But once that's how you want it, we click Post New Topic, and if everything goes to plan, you'll see the topic come up in the forum. If you see a topic in the forum, you're able to reply to that topic, and there are two ways to do that. The first is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, click the Fast Reply box, which will then give you a space to add your reply. As you can see, there's a lot less settings than the previous page. If you want all of those settings, you can either click the Add Reply button here to begin with, or you can click the More Options button. The More Options button will also take what you'd written so far as a reply over to this page. And as you can see, with the exception of putting up a new topic title, you've got all the same options as before. So if we wanted to type a post, that is great. Welcome to the forum, Jono. We could. And we'll just center that. And we click Add Reply. And there we go. So you've got the two posts there, looking great. And you've now started using the forum. Next time you come back, there'll be a login and a register button on the red bar, and clicking the login button will let you type in your information that you provided when registering, such as your username and your password, and you'll be able to make use of all those settings all over again. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing all of you on the forum.